Knock, knock. Who's there? Soup. Soup who? Super Mario Brothers. Okay then. Knock, knock. Who's there? What a whore. What a whore who? What a horrible night to have a curse. Knock, knock. Who's there? Soup. You already did this one. No, this is the sequel. Okay. Soup who? Super Mario Brothers 2. Knock, knock. Who's there? Ah! There's a monster in my pocket! Knock, knock. Who's there? Arr! Arr who? Are you a bad enough dude to rescue the president? Bad dudes has nothing to do with pirates. Knock, knock. Who's there? Jews. Jews who? Beetlejuice. Knock, knock. Who's there? Bat. Bat who? Battletoads. That's beyond lame. That's not even a joke. Knock, knock. Who's there? Deja. Deja who? Knock, knock. Who's there? Deja. Deja who? Knock, knock. Who's there? Deja. Deja who? Deja vu. Ugh. Knock, knock. Who's there? Leg. Leg who? Legacy of the Wizard. Knock, knock. Who's there? Ninja. Ninja who?